I'm Maddie, lead counselor at girlsinc at YWCA Minneapolis. Today I'm going on a nature walk. My friend Gina is here to join me on a video call.
Hi Maddie, I'm in my local Minneapolis park. It's a beautiful day outside and I'm excited to stretch up my legs. Maddie and I are going on a scavenger hunt today. Let's see if we can find everything on the list.
Today we are looking for an interesting rock, 2 different types of birds, a deciduous and a coniferous tree, 1 mammal, 2 different types of footprints or tracks, and 1 thing you don't know the name of, and finally 3 pieces of history about the area you're in.
Hey Maddie, I found several coniferous trees. Take a look.
We're down by the banks of the Mississippi, and I just found this interesting rock. It looks like it has some iron on it. Pretty cool.
So I think I found some tracks here. It looks like that is the track of a dog that has been through the park. You can tell by the little claw marks right here, and right here, and the size.
Izzy and I just learned a few things about the Mississippi River. We learned that it was named after the Ojibwe for a great river. We also learned that it's the foundation of both Minneapolis and St. Paul's growth as cities. St. Paul served as a port city because it was the farthest place north you could travel up the Mississippi. Minneapolis used the power of the rapids from the river to power their sawmill and flour industries. We also learned that the Mississippi River and its tributaries take up 40% of the United States. It's also the 3rd largest watershed in the whole world.
I decided to take a look at the football field, and there looks like there's a lot of footprints right here. I think I found more than a few tracks, Maddie.
I couldn't find any animal tracks, but I did find lots of little shells by the beach.
I found a deciduous tree, and it looks like it still has some leaves on it. Let's get closer and look at the shape of the leaves that it has.
Here's my deciduous tree.
Hey Maddie, so I have not seen any birds so far. It might be too windy for them. And I also haven't found an interesting rock. How are you doing on your search?
Hi Gina. Izzy and I just found this little baby coniferous tree.
So I found some really cool historical facts. I found that the Dakota people used to live in Minneapolis before it was known as Minneapolis. The name Minneapolis translates to city of water. And in the northeast neighborhood, originally Eastern European immigrants settled, and when the big industries moved out, like the lumber industry, the Eastern European immigrants were able to start their own businesses because there was a lot of warehouses left open for them to rent out or buy.
Did you find anything, Izzy? No? Izzy stopped to sniff this. Some animal tracks. Looks like there's some hair in there. I wonder what it's from.
I did find a tire swing, so I'm just looking up at the sky and looking for birds right now.
I found some birds out on that log. Looks like they're geese.
Hey Maddie, I found a really cool rock. It looks like it's worn down on the sides, and it has little air pockets right there and right there.